So right now I'm going to go over a tutorial of how to manage your app. First, in step number 1, functionality. Here's where you can customize your app tabs. First, you'll see the app icon, if the tab's active, the tab name, and the tab function. I'm going to quickly add a tab to show you how it's done. First, give the tab a title, choose the tab function, make sure it's active, and then choose your tab icon. When you're happy, save your changes. You'll see the newly created tab added at the bottom. From here you can drag and drop the tab order and it will automatically save. You can also further edit and delete the tabs from here. Next, in step number 2, is where you customize the app content. Here you can see where you can quickly enter in the business's information. The YouTube tab is simple as putting in the channel name and choosing a background image. Entering your social media is as easy as entering the website tab. Next, I'm going to go over how to create an info tier tab. These what you see is what you get editors are extremely flexible. You can add in images, text, a ton of stuff. I'm going to give the tab a title. I'm going to go ahead and edit the background image colors first. This is just a quick example, but you can get really in depth with these things. And always after you're done, make sure to save your changes. In step number 2, you can also drag and drop your tab orders as well. These changes will automatically save within your live app. Next, I'm going to move on to step number 3, appearance. From here is where you can really customize the app's look and feel. In the layout, you can choose how many rows you want. I'll quickly give you an example of this. As you can see on the right, it changed to 2 rows instead of 1. And you can also choose different tab layouts. From here, in the button section, you can choose different tab backgrounds or button backgrounds. We have a ton to choose from, and you can also upload your own. Next, editing the icon color is a breeze. As always, save your changes if you like something. Next, the tab color. You can also change the opacity. Tab's text is also easily changeable. You can also choose from a menu of fonts. Next, onto the header. As you can see, you can upload your own custom one or choose from one of our various styles. You can also edit the color. The global header is the header that will be found inside the app itself. I'm going to stick with the custom one I already uploaded. As you can see, this is all highly customizable. Lastly, the colors. These are the colors that will be found within your app. Any changes you make will be visible on the right-hand side. You can also select from the buttons that you want to be shown, or upload your own. The background images section is very useful. You can upload your own custom ones or choose from our library. Once you've uploaded one, select the checkbox in the bottom left corner. From there, go down and also select the tabs that you'd want this background applied to. After you're done, make sure to save your changes. Next, I'm going to go over how to set the home screen sliding images. After you uploaded them above, you'll be able to select them down here. You can set up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And after you've chosen which images you want to use, You can select them to automatically slide in and out or fade. I can go ahead and save my changes as always. Here you can see how you can upload iPad images as well. Next, I'm going to move on to the Messages tab, or the Push Notifications portal. From here, you can choose to send the message now, or send it on a time and specific date. So I'm going to quickly show you how to set it on a time and specific date to send. Simply select the date, set the time you want it sent at, and press done. From here you can just press send. Below it will display all the information about the push note that you just sent. Next, I'm going to move on to step number 4, the Preview tab. Here you can go back and forth and preview the edits that you've been making to your app. On the right is the mobile website, and on the left is the mobile app. This previewer is highly functional and gives you a great idea of what you've been creating. It's also awesome for making edits and seeing what they look like really quickly. Almost all the tabs will be fully functional, except for those that access the iPhone's native functionality, such as the camera or GPS. Next, I'll move on to step number 5. This is the Publish tab. All of this information is what will be found on the iTunes Store after you publish. The app name, the app description, the app keywords, all of this stuff, even down to the app icon. Please note that when you change this information, it will not automatically reflect on the live marketplace itself. You have to put in a full update to change it. So if you have any other further questions, please contact us. We'll be happy to help.